guys want to do something, motherfuckers. Go ahead, do something. I'm in your bubble. I'm in your bubble.
You are.
What? You want to say something?
Delray Beach, Florida. Officers respond to an assault call between two women. They leave with one suspect in handcuffs and someone who was never part of the investigation. Within minutes, a 21-year-old family member is face down on the pavement, facing 3 criminal charges. Shouting a single defiant claim, "I am not drunk."
So let me see your phone.
Yeah.
It's too late for that. We have to make a decision. You're gonna have to go to jail tonight, all right?
So I have to be the only one going to jail?
We'll
Can you
talk.
hold my bag, please?
Oh, you're gonna taser me?
You come at me like that, I will protect myself and my men.
No one has nothing. No one has nothing.
Ma'am, I need to explain to you what's going on. I will not talk to you in front of your son.
No, I'm her son. I'm gonna stand by her side. You threaten to pull out a fucking taser on me, I swear to God. Well, you guys want to do something, motherfuckers. Go ahead, do something. Your camera on? Your camera on? Your camera on? No, I don't see no light on.
It's on.
Nope. Yep, there it go. Where's the red light? There's one. Your red light, good.
The whole time.
Good. You ain't got nothing on me, so what are you gonna come at me for? Go ahead. You really threatening my fucking mother? I'm not doing nothing.
You're gonna stay here, okay?
Okay, what's your badge number? What's all 4 of your badge numbers? Right now.
Sergeant Bates.
No. You're taking my mother to jail. No. You're taking my mother to jail. You guys are doing this in front of my kid, in front of my family. You think this is good?
You're gonna step back, all right?
What's up? What's up? You scared, bitch? You scared? You have badge gun? Take off your badge gun. See real scared you are. You ain't nothing with the badge and gun. You ain't nothing with the badge and gun. Ain't nothing. You're all fucking bitch ass. Oh, just wait. Just wait. Just because you're taking the... I'm not coming at you.
Hey, if you get closer...
I'm in your bubble. I'm in your bubble.
You are.
What? You want to say something to me? You want to say something to me? What's up then? What's up then? No. You ain't got to tell me nothing. It's my fucking property.
Everybody's good.
No.
All right.
No. I can walk. This is my fucking property. No, what am I doing? What am I doing aggressive? You want to pull your finger at me?
Hey, you got the cell phone?
That made you aggressive. Exactly my fucking point. How long you been an officer? Yeah, and you pull out your taser.
Because I don't want to make it the third person.
Okay, yeah, but you guys deal with fucking tweakers, and you want to sit here and fucking pull a taser out on me. Do I look like a fucking tweaker? She's in this car, right? Good.
If you touch it, it's not going on.
No. What you getting taken in for? Yeah, you do. As my mother. Yes, the fuck I do. You want to see what's up? You want to see what's up? You think you're all scared? You think you're all real crazy when you're badge and gun?
But he's degrading my officers and he's causing a scene.
All your officers are
About to get...
You're
All right. Drunk and disorderly?
What the? Sit down. Turn him around. 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 He's good. I'm not. Hand. I need to talk. Bad. Hand here. Really?
Where the hand?
Really? I didn't do nothing. I'm suing you guys. Hand. Can we talk?
Home is where the Apple Watch is.
Hey.
Hand. Lift up. Here we go. He's good. Double lock. Hot.
I'm not doing anything. Can you please
To do
let
that,
me go?
you'll need to be online.
What did I do?
We got him.
Grandma. You're recording it, right? Hey, record it.
You got his cell phone? No?
Hey, man, I'm in the car.
Am I really drunk? Grandma, you heard them drunken disorderly, right?
Get in the car.
No,
in the car.
you see this, babe, right? Record it.
Get in the car.
He hasn't been searched, so we need to search him.
Let's search the ladies first.
Nobody's been searched?
No.
Then let's do a favor. Let's just pull around the corner so we're away from all of this.
Okay.
All right? And then we'll do all of our searches over there.
Will you take me for your pocket?
I got my knives in my right pocket.
Knives in your right pocket? Okay.
All right.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Just place that way.
Thank you.
This analysis examines the legal foundations of 3 charges filed against the subject in this encounter: disorderly intoxication, obstruction of justice, and resisting an officer without violence. Under Cohen v. California, 1971, profanity alone is constitutionally protected speech. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, holds that the First Amendment protects verbal criticism directed at police officers. The fighting words exception from Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire has been narrowly construed by the 11th Circuit. It requires credible, immediate incitement, not mere bravado. Conditional threats of violence trigger the true threats doctrine under Virginia v. Black, 2003. Such threats qualify only when a reasonable listener would perceive a serious expression of intent to commit unlawful violence. Prosecutors declined to charge assault here, suggesting the statement was treated as emotional speech.
Face that way.
Hey, babe. I know what's going on.
Just keep your head behind.
Okay. I'm in the car, they're searching me now, but I need you and Grandma to get a hold of a lawyer or something because... Get a hold of Grandma, please. They're getting rid of my watch right now. Please get a hold of them. Can you please? That's my wife, dude, with my kid.
You'll be able to call her when you get up the county.
Really?
Face the other way.
I
You got
need
anything else on you?
No, I need a breathalyzer.
I'm gonna take you out this car.
Okay, cool.
I'm not gonna be violent, nothing, but I need a
All right, face the car.
breathalyzer test.
You're gonna face the car.
Okay, face the
Can
car.
I get a breathalyzer test?
Separate
Hey,
your
spray your feet. Thank you.
Can I get a breathalyzer test, please? Sir? Can I speak to a sergeant?
I am the sergeant.
Can I get a breathalyzer test?
I don't need a
Taste.
supervisor to test you. It's disorderly intox.
I'm not even drunk.
You have a
don't have to be
bag?
drunk.
You said disorderly and drunk.
I said disorderly intox. That's what I'm charging.
No, just a big one, just for now.
Ma'am. Please.
No,
You only-
you should have thought about this when you were calling my officers' names,
Okay.
getting in our faces, impeding our investigation.
Florida Statute 856.011 defines disorderly intoxication and requires 2 elements: intoxication and either endangerment of another or a public disturbance in a public place. Florida appellate courts construe the public disturbance prong narrowly. Subjective officer offense at being insulted is legally thin without documented impact on bystanders. Florida Statute 843.02 governs resisting an officer without violence. LAT versus state and DG versus state establish that words alone, however offensive, rarely satisfy this statute. Physical conduct is required, not mere speech. The reactionary gap invasion observed here arguably supplies that physical element. The companion obstruction charge is separately vulnerable on the same legal grounds.
No,
No.
you don't get to do that.
Ma'am,
You don't get to
my
have
daughter. Please, I'm not doing anything.
Hey,
I'm not
face
doing
the
anything to
car.
risk you.
face the
Ma'am,
car.
please.
They are giving you instructions.
Okay,
Face the
ma'am,
car.
please. I swear to God, I've literally only lost my job 2 days ago. I'm trying to get my daughter in check. Trying
Oh,
to.
you should have thought better, bro.
Why's my mom getting arrested for? That's my mother. Would you want your mother arrested?
I don't talk to people like that.
Okay, I
don't act like
apologize, but I'm sitting here
Too late, sir.
talking to you as
People
a
coming out of their
man.
apartment
As
complexes.
a man, I'm talking to you. Okay. Can I call my grandmother? Where's my phone?
Does anybody need FD?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, his face planted me and my face hurts.
Okay.
But
Hey, Vasquez, I got some coins right here.
I want to say something. 1, 2, 3. I know who was all involved. Where's my phone, ma'am?
Hey, Spray your feet.
I am spreading. Why are you guys being so excessive?
Cause you keep moving. Relax.
I'm not. I'm asking where's my phone. That's all I'm asking about. You guys tapped. No, you guys tapped when you went in my head.
Alright, you said you had injuries. Let me see your mouth.
I'm asking where's my phone politely,
Your
guys.
phone is in the bag.
In the bag?
Yep.
Can you guys give the keys to my wife? That's my only set of keys. If you guys are gonna take me, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna take your shoe off.
Literally on there. There. I got it for you. Simple.
Thank you.
There you go. I don't have nothing.
Excuse me. Sure. Thanks.
Can I please say bye to my wife and daughter?
Too late. You got the other side?
Michael.
You want me to the other side or you got it?
How would you feel if that was your child?
And how would you feel if we came to separate the parents? They weren't getting along.
What? My mom didn't do anything, you guys. My mom didn't do anything.
Hey, can I swallow it?
My mom
I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not arguing with you anymore either. I'm just telling you the simple fact that my mother didn't do nothing wrong. You guys, the officers, are coming at my mother the wrong way. What did she do that involved her getting arrested?
Okay, I was trying to do.
Here, let me take this off.
But what did I do to you guys to harm you? What did I do? Anything? I have rights. I was just voicing my opinion. Did I come at you and say anything? That's fine. You don't have to talk to me. I'm being honest with you. Did I come at you guys? You guys swing at me. Did I do anything that you felt was dangerous?
Didn't you run from us? It's like you turned around and said, if you guys take my mother, just watch.
Just watch. What do I have? I have knife. That's nothing to harm you guys. What am I gonna harm you guys with?
And then you come on that gang side and take strong little shit out of you.
Alright, it's clear.
There you go.
Okay. What is that? What is that though?
Alright, we'll talk to you in the car. Just have a seat.
I need.
Hey, what's your name?
Michael.
Alright, Michael. Here, I'm gonna put this on you.
Okay, I'm gonna chill with you guys.
It's not. No, hold on. That's this sides.
I get it. I got it, you guys. I don't like cops, nor do you guys like people.
You said we don't like people.
No, man.
Wow.
You guys deal with
So
a lot
it's
of
fair.
shit. I mean, I'm not.
It doesn't matter. It's not fair to generalize.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. Use of force is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, 1989. The three-factor test weighs severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The threat factor is elevated by a concealed knife later recovered from the subject. The controlled takedown falls within the objectively reasonable range. Grading. The officers collectively receive a B-. Composure and proportionate force were demonstrated, but overbroad charging reflects common deficiencies in probable cause articulation. The subject receives a D+. Substantial First Amendment protections were squandered by physical proximity invasion, conditional threats, and intoxicated escalation during a lawful family member arrest. The department receives a B. Supervisory presence and disciplined force posture indicate a functioning accountability structure. 3 practical lessons emerge. First, profanity directed at police is protected, but protection ends where physical proximity, conditional threats, and intoxication begin. Second, officers must articulate probable cause in statutory language tied to specific conduct, not personal offense. Third, a weapon discovered after an encounter retroactively validates tactical caution, but cannot cure an unlawful arrest if probable cause was absent at the moment of seizure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.